Hello students, now today we'll discuss the functions in programming in C. What is function, how it works exactly, what is the how you can declare the functions, that we'll see today. A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. Every C program has at least one function which is main. You can divide up your code into separate functions. A function declaration tells the compiler about a function name, return type, and the parameters. A function definition provides the actual body of the function. The C standard library provides numerous built-in functions that your program can tell. For example, strcat, string concatenation. This is a function to concatenate two strings together. Then memcpy, memory copy, to copy one memory location to another location, and many more functions. A function can also be referred as a method or a subroutine or a procedure, etc. Means function like mathematical functions. There are a lot of mathematical functions, I think you might have already aware: sine function, cos function, tan function, and sine of 1. So this 1 is what? That is a parameter or argument that you have to provide. साइन कुठल्या व्हॅल्यूची बघायची आहे, साइन व्हॅल्यू कुठल्या व्हॅल्यूची बघायची आहे, तर तुम्ही ती व्हॅल्यू त्याला सप्लाय करता, तर त्याला आपण म्हणतो पॅरामीटर. नाउ डेफिनेशन ऑफ फंक्शन. The general form of function defines in C programming language is as follows: return followed by type of function followed by function name and in bracket parameter list, opening curly brace, body of the function and closing curly brace. This is what the definition. This is how you can define a function, that is user defined function. A function definition in C programming consists of a function header and a function body. Here are all the parts of the functions. Return type. A function may return a value. The return type is the type of the value the function returns. Some functions perform the desired operation without returning a value. In this case, the return type is the keyword void. जर एखादा फंक्शन कुठलीही व्हॅल्यू रिटर्न करत नसेल तर तो void रिटर्न करतोय. रिटर्न काय करतोय? void means null, nothing it will return. Then function name. This is the actual name of the function. The function name and the parameter list together constitute the function signature. Now parameter means what? A parameter is like a placeholder. When a function is invoked, you pass a value to the parameter. This value is referred to as the actual parameter or of argument. The parameter list refers to the type, order and the number of parameters of a function. Parameters are optional. That is, a function may contain no parameters also. Now function body. The function body contains a collection of statements that define what the function does. फंक्शननी काय करायला पाहिजे हे त्या बॉडीमध्ये डिक्लेअर केलेलं असतं किंवा डिफाईन केलेलं असतं. In the following example, the source code for the function called max. This function takes two parameters, that is number 1 and number 2, and returns the maximum value between the two. Now in the example you can see function returning the max between two numbers, integer max int num comma int num2, opening curly brace, local variable declaration, int result. If number 1 is greater than number 2, then result is equal to number 1, else result is equal to number 2, and return result, closing curly brace. Now function declaration. How function can be declared? A function declaration tells the compiler about a function name and how to call the function. The actual body of the function can be defined separately. A function declaration has the following parts: return type, function name, in bracket parameter list. For the above definition function max, the function declaration is as follows: int max, int num1 comma int num2 semicolon. Parameter names are not important in function declaration, only their type is required. So the following is also valid declaration: int max in bracket int comma int bracket close and semicolon. The function declaration is required when you define a function in one source file and you call that function in another file. In such case, you should declare the function at the top of the file calling the function. Now, calling a function means what? While creating a C function, you give a definition of what the function has to do. फंक्शननी काय करायचं हे तुम्ही अगोदर त्याला त्याचे स्टेटमेंट्स लिहिलेले असतात. टू यूज अ फंक्शन यू विल हॅव टू कॉल दॅट फंक्शन टू परफॉर्म द डिफाइंड टास्क. When a program calls a function, the program control is transferred to the called function. A called function performs a defined task, and when its return statement is executed, or when its function's ending closing braces is reached, the returns the program control back to the function main. To call a function, you simply need to pass the required parameters along with the function name. And if the function returns a value, then you can store the return value. For example, here you can see the function return the variable and only return function. See function declaration in the first program, and in the second program function returning the max between two numbers. You execute both function, then you will get understood easily. Now what do you mean by function arguments? If a function is to use arguments, it must declare variables that accept the values of the arguments. These variables are also called the formal parameters of the function. Formal parameters behave like other local variables inside the function and are created upon entry into the function and destroyed upon exit. लोकल व्हेरिएबल जे असतात ते जसं त्या फंक्शनमध्ये तुमचं एक्झिक्युशन केलं ते एक्झिक्यूट होतात आणि जसं एक्झिक्युशन संपलं ते ऑटोमॅटिकली एक्झिट होतात. while calling a function, there are two ways in which arguments can be passed to a function, that is call by value and the call by reference. Now call by value, this method copies the actual value of an argument into the formal parameter of the function. In this case, changes made to the parameter inside the function have no effect on the argument. Call by reference, this method copies the address of an argument into the formal parameter. Address means memory address. Inside the function, the address is used to access the actual argument used in the call. This means that changes made to the parameter affect the argument. By default, C uses call by value to pass arguments. In general, it means the code within a function cannot alter the arguments used to call the function.